watching the immersive learning tutorials with Experizer. Experizer is the world's first no-coding interactivity offering tool that supports augmented reality and virtual reality experience building. You can use Experizer for creating involving and immersive online training content. Okay, so let's get started on how to create an account with Experizer with an overview of the dashboard. First step, type in studio.experizer.com in your browser. On the sign up page, create a new account by clicking on Sign Up with Google or Sign Up with Facebook. You can also create an account with your name, email address. Other fields are optional. After entering the details, click on Sign Up Free. Now, you'll get a verification email on your mentioned email and check your inbox. You might need to check your spam folder. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Done? Great! Now, let's explore Experizer's interface. You'll observe 20 VR/AR templates on the main screen. Look on to your left to locate multiple tabs. The first tab is the Studio. Click on the drop-down to locate templates according to categories. The next tab is My Experiences. This has a list of the experiences you have created. You can find options to edit, delete, clone as well as publish your experience. You can't see it right now as you have a new account, and you haven't created any. In the Published Experiences tab, you'll find a list of experiences you have created and published. Here, you can also preview, see analytics, add to a room or delete the published experience. Let's explore the Rooms tab. This tab displays the rooms created with options to manage your patrons, send invitations, share your experience link, increase privacy, and more. Next comes the Patrons tab. Patrons are your learners who can access and view your published experiences. You can track your patrons' progress as well as add patrons from the right by typing in their name and email in. You have the option to import in bulk too. In the Assets Library tab, you can upload your media content. Similarly, in the 3D Assets Library, you can upload your 3D models. This was a basic overview of the Experizer dashboard. If you have questions, please write to care@experizer.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel for further updates.